So this is the hotel, and we're actually staying in Cap Salou, which is just outside of town. So we've walked out the hotel, we're going down to the bus, and we've got a little bus card that's a little bit cheaper than paying on the bus. And basically it costs about €2 each to get into Salou, or to get to the theme parks. And it's only about a 10-minute drive. You could walk it if you've got two little children. But it is quite hilly, so you need to be fairly fit to walk it into town. These buses do get very, very busy as well. And we pretty much had to stand up all the way to the theme park yesterday. You can see the ocean. There's not a sandy beach down there, it's quite rocky and the sea's quite high up. We're in Salou Centre. Kind of the start. We've just been dropped off at Salou Centre bus stop. Coming from Cap Salou. Oh. So obviously you've got all the lovely souvenir shops. The giant chop shops. There is a Burger King here, which there's not a chance we're going to. It's some plastic places. Paella. We absolutely love paella. Can you say hello to everyone in Spanish? Say it. I thought the rule the other day when you had the camera was, if you've got the camera you can't hold a kid's hand. But you changed the rules when I've got the camera. Okay, for a minute. So this is, what day are we? Thursday? Thursday lunchtime, 12:20. Yeah. Hungry. And Mama's had no breakfast. And Papa needs a brand new pair of everything. And Mum's fancying sushi for lunch, but whether we'll find some of that, I don't know. Not everything's open, is it? It's October, yeah. It's kind of the end of the season, really. Breezy today, but it is 20 degrees with a blue sky. So it's a little warmer this afternoon. You know, this is on the other side of the hotel. Park walkway, yes. You can imagine it being really bustling down here in the middle of summer, can't you? Could you eat an ice cream that big? No. No. You get brain freeze? No, thank you.
Everybody's been in this I wonder why everybody.
quite breezy down here on the front, isn't it? But it is a breezy day today. I believe the wind's dropping tomorrow.
place, you can see the really nice.
Yes. Yes, there's lots of people wandering around doing hair braids and tattoos and henna tattoos, selling jewellery.
So that's all washed up on the beach. It looks like the kids are just building their own little bonfire things.
Making their own teepees. Wonder if you could have a fire down here with a cookout. Taxi.
Oh, this is what I want to walk. Probably the street. There's the rock.
This is nice food. We got some Spanish tapas, patatas bravas. These are children's pizzas, but I think they're as big as the children. Some tuna tataki and some nachos.
We're having a breezy little walk on the beach at Salou.
Nice views from here.
We got some nice apartment beachfront. Can't quite understand what all these fronds are on the beach that are washed up.
Go walking with the dad. You don't need to be sat down for an hour on the beach. Long hour.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's washed up, but we did have quite a storm the other day, so whether that's whipped up something. It's literally covering the beach, these bamboo type stuff. Smell the fish from the restaurants. Summer salmon. Look at the pine nuts. Pine nuts on the pine trees. And they're all down on the. So many tubs. There'll be crab pots, Sam, I bet. Pots, yeah, for catching crabs. Yeah. I still can't quite. I'll Google it when I get home. It's all bamboo, all washed up.
I've never seen that on a beach before, so much bamboo.
I'm just thinking of the storm the other day, whether that's washed up.
We didn't come down here before the storm.
It's quite a nice little beach in Salou, but we want a bit of a tidy up, Katie. There's a lot. Look at that pine nuts. Go and get it, Katie. Firo? Is that what it was? Are you still playing Pokemon in real life? Oh, okay.
Look, there's a million of piggies over there. Let's go see if we can get them.
Crazy. They're not Pokemon. Leave them alone. Don't go on the rocks. Come this way. Did you know? Right, that'll do there. Stop, stop, stop. Look at the beach and the waves. We found a little sun trap here. It's all washed up here.
Look, there's lots of bamboo in there. Look at all that, those twigs. Look, there's bamboo going in.
So, what was your favourite bit of Spain? Okay. Right, Miss Bentley, what was your favourite bit of Spain?
The runaway train in Portaventura.
Wow, that was awesome. What about Mum? What was your favourite bit?
I enjoyed the Shambhala.
Shambhala, yeah.